Do you feel sleepy right after eating? This might not be normal, and it could be a warning sign your body is trying to tell you something. Let's break it down. First, digestion. When you eat, your body sends more blood to your stomach to process food. That means less blood to your brain, and you start feeling tired and relaxed. Second, sugar and carbs. Foods like white bread, pasta, and sweets cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar, followed by a sudden crash. And that crash? That's the reason you feel drained and sleepy. Third, overeating. The more you eat, the harder your body has to work. Big meals take more energy to digest, leaving you feeling exhausted. Now here's where it gets serious. If you feel extremely tired even after small meals, this could be a sign of diabetes. High blood sugar can stop your body from using energy properly. Another hidden cause? Gut issues like SIBO. This happens when bad bacteria grow in your small intestine, leading to bloating, discomfort, and fatigue after eating. Also, food allergies. Your body might be reacting to foods like milk, wheat, or nuts, triggering inflammation and making you feel tired. And finally, the most common reason: you're just not getting enough sleep. If your body is already low on energy, digestion will make it even worse. But don't worry, here's how to fix it. Eat smaller meals throughout the day. Avoid too much sugar and processed food. Add more fiber and protein to your diet. Take a short walk after eating. And most importantly, get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Small changes, big energy boost. If this helped you, subscribe for more simple health tips. And comment energy if you want a fat loss meal plan.